Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a budget plan with me in my Recollections planner for the week of October 8th. Oh my goodness, it is like rainy, cold, dreary outside right now, and we have a freeze watch or freeze warning or something for tomorrow night, and I'm like, what? Fall just got here. I want it to look like this. With pretty colors and things. And we have a freeze warning. I'm like, no, that's not okay. Anyways, I'm using this kit from Dutch Girls Design. This shop is owned by two very, very sweet girls, and they are a brand new shop. I like it very, very much. This is some super smooth premium matte paper. It is beautiful. We have Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves, Fall Head Over Heels in Love with Autumn, the fall banner, and then you have the little home with like the welcome mat. This one says Fall is in the Air with the drink, the apples, is that a pomegranate? Acorns, cookies, like the pumpkins and stuff, the book, the little fall outfit, so cute. There's a sidebar tracker, and then quarter boxes. The washi says autumn is calling, leaves are falling, because you'd put the short side down first. We have pumpkin date covers, and I love that that's like a wood background. The pumpkin little checklist, you've got 2 blue, 2 orange, 2 brown, 2 ivory, weekly checklist, and some little labels. This page has a whole bunch of different kinds of boxes. Bill dues, habit trackers, canceled type stickers. And then we have glitter headers, check or like little thing kind of things, flags, icon stuff, 3 heart checklists, half boxes. And then we have headers, weekend banner, a little bit of deco, some little things. And then I had mentioned to her that I would like 8 of each of the glitter headers because I like to use them on my sidebar. So she created this little thing for me. So it has another orange and another of that, like, I don't even know what color what color that is. She put some work labels on, and then bow paper clip, push pin, and a payday. And then she also gave me 4 girl boxes. Sorry for the lighting. So you've got girls with different color hair. Is that even in focus? There we go. So if you didn't want the girl, you could use the box that has the front door without the girl, but I might use her. She's pretty cute. I had to put some lotion on. My hands were so dry. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi, and I might... if I have room, I might layer in some dollar spot glitter washi from Target. We will see. We will see. Oop. Oh, thank goodness. I got the bubble out. So autumn is calling. Leaves are falling. It was so beautiful here this weekend. Just absolutely perfect fall weather. I was so happy. And then, like I said, we've got this whole like freeze warning nonsense. I'm like, where did that come from? Nobody wants that. If you want that, you're wrong. I'm just kidding. Okay, let me look at what are these things again? Okay, so the blues are kind of like that quote in the door. And then we have like kind of 2 yellow, some brownish, some orangish. I think we'll be okay no matter what I pick. So I put glitter headers down, I put headers down, I put the date covers on. I'm going to repeat this on the other side and then I will be back. All right, I'm back. Sorry for doing that off camera, but my boyfriend texted me because he landed in Colorado and we're in the same state again, finally. So all I did was the exact same thing I did on the other side, and then I put the orange glitter header because it's at the top here. I put that on top of this box, and I found a This Week header, and then I was going to start working on my sidebar. So I have I have two habit trackers, so I'm going to use one for vitamins, one for skincare, as per usual. And then I have little things for dinners and YouTube, so I probably will use those. So I don't know that I need this guy, but I probably will do this weekly checklist. The last time I used a kit of hers, I really enjoyed this. Is that kit in here? I think that kit is in my Erin Condren, so I can't show that to you, but yeah. Let's see. Important next week. Remember dinners, work to do, errands to clean. I mean, I guess I could put the to clean. Budget isn't cleaning. I could do small stuff. I think I'll do the brown. I think I'll do the brown small stuff header. She only gives you 4, but I think that's because you get the glitter headers, so you don't really need them. And I know like a lot of people don't really use the like little thing type header. So there's that. Okay. I do have 3 like little checklist things. I think I'll just put one over here. I'm not sure what it will be for, but I always feel like, well, not always, but I feel like a lot of times I need a little extra something sometimes in the sidebar. So we have that. And now I don't think we really have washi. Well, there's like a chunk of washi. Let's see. Oops. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so you can build the washi up, which is cool, because I want this last glitter header down at the bottom. So we'll build up a little wood washi and then we'll put the glitter header down. Perfect. I thought that was like one whole chunk. The cut lines are so perfect. It looked like it was just one big chunk. Okay, that's not quite at the bottom, but I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. Beautiful. I love this little list. It has laundry, floors, bathrooms, trash, outdoors, organize, and budget. I don't need the outdoors one, but like, whatever. No big deal. Let's see. Now my day-to-day plans. On Monday, I have a video. Oh, I need my dinners and my videos. I'm gonna just put both on every day, a dinner and a video thing, because that just seems easier, and that way if I don't need the video one, I can just skip it. All right, so I put the video and dinner little thing on every day. I put the weekend banner in, and it almost covered up those pumpkins perfectly, but not quite the bottom here. So I put a little leaf, which is perfect. And now I'm going to go day by day. So Monday, like I said, will hopefully be a video. It is currently uploading, so fingers crossed that it finishes uploading. And then it should be date night, which I think... Yes, there's a little like heart thing. So we're going to use the matching half box here. And I'm actually just going to stick it at the bottom in case I need to put anything else in between. Just line it up. And then I'm going to put the little date night in the corner. And I'm going to layer it into the sidebar because I know that doesn't really matter. Let's see, what else do we have? Happy Meal, Me Time, Time to Clean, Makeup, Nail Polish, Plan Next Week, Lazy Day, Grocery Shopping, Good Day, Work, Girls Night, Friday, Laundry Day, Browse, and Meal Prep. So nothing I think I need at the moment, but that's okay. Tuesday, oh, I was going to do, oh no, I did date night. Tuesday, I'm going to do... I'm not going to do. We have FAFSA night at school. So I need to mark that, and I don't know what I should put there. Am I going to end up just putting a half box on every day? Quite possibly. I like the little white outline on this. This is so cute. All right, so date night that day, and then, whoa. I'm going to use one of these work scripts because this is a work thing, and then I can write FAFSA night in there. And actually, I think I'm going to use the little push pin also. Whoopsies. Because it's like super important. On Wednesday, I have Pilates as per usual. I think I might take this like appointment label looking sticker and I'll put that here. I don't think we have like workout kind of things. I love that she just has these icons and not like a whole bunch of other junk. Some people might like it, like other stuff, but I'm totally okay with just that. I think I'm gonna put this little fall banner in here because it's too cute, and I shouldn't have anything else this day. And if I do, I'll probably have room in my checklist. Adorable. Shall I zoom? Too cute, too cute. Okay. Thursday, we have a bill due. Perfect. I have a brown one. Didn't know if I did or not. And then I have my Hungry Root delivery because I'm a dork and forgot to skip. Like, I didn't realize that it was coming. So, yeah. I just got a Hungry Root delivery this past week, and now I have another one. So I'm going to have so much Hungry Root food, which is cool and all, but like... girl can only go through so much food, you know? So, whatever. I'm going to put the little bow paper clip here as a little reminder for my Hungry Root delivery. And then Friday, I don't know anything except that's typically when I film. So we have this like plan next week sticker. Oh, I shouldn't have put that maple leaf there. I guess I can bump it down a little. Okay, we'll just stick it there. So that will be filming my plan with me's. Don't know anything else here. Saturday, I don't know anything. Sunday, I have Pilates again, but I already used the same, like this is the same color. So we're going to have to use a different type of label. So I have that orange and that orange. I generally prefer squared off things. So I think I'm going to use this. Put that right there. So that is Pilates again. And then video, I don't know. I mean, I will use some of these other things for sure, but I don't know when yet, so I don't need to put them on, but this is what I have left over. So let me zoom out a little. I have this sheet. I have a couple stickers on there. Headers. Oh, I have more deco. Let's maybe leave that out. I have some labels, a full box, and a sidebar tracker. I have a bunch of boxes here. These are small washi strips. And then I have a checklist and some labels down at the bottom. And I have 3 more full boxes with the girls because that's just the setup of that. I don't know that I really need a lot of other deco. I might put something kind of down in this area, maybe the pumpkins, just to like cover up some of that blue and kind of bridge the gap between the wood patterns here. But I'll probably end up putting them on checklists or half boxes or something at the bottom should I need them. So this is what I have left of that page. Again, this is Dutch Girls Design. They have more than just stickers. Like this is from their shop also, this planner charm on my Harry Potter planner. It is super, super beautiful, really well made. I kind of like bounce this planner around all over the place and it's beautiful still, no damage, no nothing. It's really hefty and beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is like quintessential fall. All I need are some numbers or I need to write them in, but that's no big deal. And then this is my spread. I love the addition of the blue. That is genius. It pulls out a little bit of the cool tones. I like the cooler wood color, the cooler brown mixed with the paler ivory and the orange. Oh my gosh, I want a cup of apple cider now, even though I've already had one today. If you guys have not had a caramel apple spice from Starbucks, I get it with no whipped cream, but the like inside of the cup is coated in caramel and it is so good. So if you're into apple cider and you like Starbucks, you should try that. Caramel apple spice, no whipped cream. If you like it even sweeter, you can get the whipped cream, but I don't need it. It's more dairy. I shouldn't be eating it anyways, so I just skip it. Anyways, this kit is super beautiful. The shop will be linked down below. Definitely go say hi to those girls, and I will link both of their Instagrams and the shop's Instagram down below as well if you are interested and I remember. So yeah, I love, 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 love this. This is beautiful. The paper is a beautiful premium matte. You can't go wrong with it. And I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for sticking around and watching with me. And I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.